Kamal, and I am from AC1105A. I am studying in diploma in accounting, and for my marketing assignment today I will show you a product. It is one of my favorite products. This is Aroma Beads. First, let me explain what is Aroma Beads. Aroma beads are small, clear plastic poly that absorb 30% up to their weight in fragrance oil. The fragrance can last up to 6 months depending on what the fragrance oil used. This can be used as an alternative to scented candles where it doesn't have to be burned or melted. We can use this instead of scented candles. Other than packaging like this, they can also be placed in glass vase or other decorative things. The interesting fact about aroma beads, you can either make them yourself or buy it at home convenience stores or online website, because it is more cheaper when you buy the ready-made instead of making it on your own, because it's costly to buy the essential oil and to make it yourself. The pros of making your own, you can have aroma beads that meet your preference, because you can decide what kind of the scent you want. But if you buy the ready-made, you can save time and cost, and also you can choose what fragrance you want at cheaper price. Okay, now let's look at the packaging. As you can see, the packaging is really simple, and you can see the Mr. DIY tag. Aroma beads are packaged in 340 gram jar and weighted around 0.41 kilogram. This one in my hand are orange scented. As you can see, it's shown in the label, orange. If you're willing to buy, I promise you, you can find the scent that you want. A lot of ready-made aroma beads already have various scents, so you don't have to make it yourself. You can just buy at Mr. DIY for RM3 ringgit. It has many scents like lily, rose, jasmine, lavender. Like this one is orange. You can see orange. This one is orange, which is cheap and affordable. Okay, now let's move on to the tutorial how to use this. Okay, first, it is really easy and pretty simple. You just open the lid, and we have another layer here. Just took it off like this. Oh. You can see it's bit down. We need to close the lid. This is how to use for aroma beads that they put in jars. Mostly aroma beads they put in jar like this. Okay, after the lid is closed, the scents can go out from these holes. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to talk about the benefit of aroma beads. It has medicinal properties, which is it can be aromatherapy beads too. And also, it does not need flames like candles. The candles need you to burn it first. It is really dangerous, and Yeah, it is more safer than candles. It banishes bad smell, and commonly aroma beads are used as air freshener, decorative items, and even gifts, maybe for some occasion and events. Also, certain essential oil can make your aroma bead most repellent. You can use it for your stinky clothes, in the wardrobe, or even in shoes rack. You can put it there to repel moths and other insects. They are used for many things like car drawer, lockers, and cabinets. Also, we can use aroma beads as sweet smelling stuffing, such as pillow and stuffed toy. Now let's see how people make stuffed toys by using aroma beads.
So let's open it up. It's really easy. Just you could put it in a bowl, leave it out, or you could put it inside of an organza bag and use it as a nice sachet. Just tie it on up. It's super simple to do these. I always do 3 knots. Super simple, smells absolutely wonderful. Put it anywhere, put it in your car, sock drawer, closet, bathroom, anywhere you want it. And you get a nice stink pretty sachet. Isn't that cool? Now check it out, I got something really neat to put this in. This teddy bear is from Sentimental Gifts, and I don't think right now he has any of these in stock. But for the tutorial video, I'm going to show you. He sent me one of them, because I think he only had like 3 or 4 of them left. But what's really cool is it's got Velcro on the back. You just open it up and you can take your sachet and stick it right in the bear. Now you have a plush bear that smells really good. This is an awesome idea. I really hope they get these back in stock. I guess the best thing you can do is just keep checking their website. But he's adorable. He can sit up. And that way, if you want to really disguise your aroma beads, instead of just leaving a sachet laying around, you can have this. And the smell comes right through there. These are so cute. Isn't that adorable? Well, there we go. That's how you do the aroma beads.
As you can see from the previous video, that's how we make stuffed toys using aroma beads. But please make sure when you are making stuffed toy that are making contact with human skin, please make sure the essential oil is safe for skins. Also, do not drink this aroma beads. Keep it away from children and pets, and avoid from getting it in eyes. So I can conclude that it really does worth buying the aroma beads, since it has many benefits and also very cheap at an affordable price that everyone can have. And also it can use for multi-purpose. You can use it for almost everything. It is really easy to use and really easy to find on the home convenience store and also online website. That's why I really recommend this product for other people who has problem with awful smell for their belonging like wardrobe, shoes rack, or cars, or maybe want to have sweet smelling stuffed toys and many more. They can buy this.